If you're serious about getting better at 3D and not just following tutorials or relying on AI shortcuts, well, this is for you. This is a 6-week mentorship where we focus on the full production pipeline, not just 3D modeling, but actually building a complete production-ready asset from start to finish. We're taking a 2D concept and turning it into a final 3D piece fully by hand. No shortcuts. You're learning how assets are actually made in a real studio environment. On top of that, we're simulating real production. You'll be working from concept art, getting feedback, iterating, and refining your work just like you would on a real team. We're using industry tools like Maya, ZBrush, Substance Painter, and Unreal Engine. Maya is included, so you don't have to worry about paying for a subscription. And if you're using Blender, that's completely fine too. I can mentor you there as well. I'll be guiding you through the entire process, giving direct feedback, draw-overs, and helping you push your work to a level that actually stands out. By the end, you'll have a strong portfolio piece and a real understanding of the full pipeline. If you're serious about leveling up, I'll see you inside.